My head.
What you doing?
I baptized myself.
You baptized yourself? Yeah, I thought so.
Underwater.
You putting your head in there? What? You swallowed some water, didn't you?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Go get some medicine.
You don't need medicine. It's just water. Shh.
Why moving my arm?
Save some water for Zai.
I'm
When she wake up, she'll come out.
I'm drowning.
You're drowning. Well, I think you need to come out then.
No, she thinks she's trying to say she's drowning.
Okay.
Where's my sodium ball? Yeah. Why did the water go blow and make a bubble? Why not this ball moving?
The water is moving it.
What?
The water is moving the ball.
Why are they trying to hop out?
Well, don't be so rough with it.
Moving! Mommy! This swimming pool is not for Julie.
No. That's for you and Tariq and Leah and Zion. Yes, now sit.
No, Zion can't live in there.
She can't live in there. She can get in.
She can do.
Or she's still asleep. It's early in the morning. You out here swimming.
I put my head in the water. Those balls.
Go get them. You swimming?
Yeah.
Is it fun? Hey, watch the water. Stop. Hey, stop screaming. Okay, stop screaming.
Mom! Mommy!
Yes, Layla.
Can you comb my hair like this?
Okay,
Comb my hair like Elsa.
okay.
And Anna. Anna the vendor. Does Zion got one?
She does.
No.
She does.
Oh. Is it in the house?
It's in the house. She has Doc McStuffins. Layla, don't do that.
Okay. I was floating.
Okay, be careful.
A wasp is over there.
I see. Don't go over there. Yes,
Maybe
Layla.
that's a fake magic.
What, Layla?
Call some friends.
Okay, have it.
outside
Go.
So they can.
Okay.
So they can
Say
see
hi.
us.
Say hi to Jasmine.
Hi, Jasmine.
Say hi to Justice.
Hi, Jasmine.
Say hi to Jordan.
Taking us swimming.
Say hi to Jordan.
Hi, Jordan. I found it. Look. My phone went in here. I was drowning.
So this is what we're doing. It's August 4th.
Mom, let your chair down.
Good.
That's what I can do. Bring your chair outside.
Stop yelling. We're right here.
Is Zion asleep?
Yes,
Can we wake up her?
in a little bit.
The water is letting me Mama, can we go? Can we? Mom, ourselves in the swimming pool. Why you go watch Zion?
Oh, you want to stay in here by yourself? Okay.
Yes. Mom.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes. Yes. Layla, go get the ball. Go get the ball. Hey, not nice, okay?
I landed by her paws over there.
She didn't do it on purpose.
She's sorry. My spin. Mommy, in a minute we're gonna have to get out.
You can stay in here.
I'm gonna stay at daytime and nighttime.
In daytime and nighttime all day,
Can
huh?
we sleep in here?
You gonna sleep in here? Okay.
Yeah. Why is there a lot of grass?
Because you got out and put grass in it. Step on the tarp.
Guess what?
That way you won't get grass.
Gary,
Okay, sit down.
Gary, get that.
Okay, sit down. Stop screaming. Tariq, get the ball. You see it?
Oh, she keeps doing that. It's my ball. Mom, let's kids by our house.
Okay. Relax.
Oh, we're being in the swimming pool. It's our mom said it's not for you.
Layla,
What?
be nice. Okay, just say hi.
They're letting them by our house.
Okay. Calm down.
Go away.
Leah, be nice. Go get your ball.
Get my ball.
Go get it.
Three.
Go get your ball.
Three, go get my ball. No. I can reach it. No, it's mine. It's from there.
Tariq, stop.
Stop doing that.
Boy, if you don't stop. So you just turned into a jacuzzi, huh?
Stop it! Stop it! Stop! No! Look at your beach ball. Go, kid. Stop!
I think you need to calm down or you have to come out.
Ow! There's pokies there!
I know. Stop throwing the balls out, Tariq.
He's trying to
1,
catch the ball. No!
2.
Go! They're getting dirty!
Okay, be careful.
Be careful, Tariq! Stop!
Stop. Now you are aggravating them. Stop.
Go get your ball! Go get that! There!
Why are your eyes closed? What you thinking about?
Water in my eye!
Well, stop splashing.
No, it's the Mickey Mouse! Look, why are those kids looking at us?
Because they want to see you have fun.
No, tell them to go away.
Okay. Stop throwing the balls out of the water.
Be nice.
Yes.
No.
1.
Be nice.
That's right. Be nice.
I'm throw your ball. I said don't throw. Why are you hitting like that?
What did I just tell you about throwing the balls out?
How could you?
Are you trying to show off? It's not cute.
Why is those kids looking at us? Why are they looking at us?
Okay, put it back in the water.
Why is Mother looking at us? Why sweet? Yeah.
I'll say this is the best $10 ever spent. Why are you doing that? I'll get it. Stop.
Mom!
Yes, Lola. Hold on, I'll get it. Okay, it's time for you to come in.
He's moving.
Well, that's his ball.
It's time for him to come in. Because only we can be out.
He doesn't want to play.
It's cold.
It's not cold.
Yes, it's cold.
Are you cold? Somebody has a problem.
Mom, look what I found.
Yeah, a cocoon.
Yeah,
Let me see.
cocoon.
Yeah.
Mom,
Okay.
can I put the cocoon in the water?
No, just put it right there on the mat.
I found a cocoon. Cocoon? Mom, can you go get those beach balls?
Yeah, hold on.
Why is Mom looking at us? Because they want
Now
to see
sit
us.
down and play.
No. They want to see us. They said no. Now take them inside.
Calm down.
Take those kids inside. Your mom said y'all can be outside. No, see, Nana is looking at. Now bring those kids inside. They just go work hard.
Okay.
Bring Nana inside. Bring Nana inside. Valley's right there. I don't care. My mom has to bring them inside. Bring those kids inside. Ow. His plumbing is full down.
No, he's gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna go check on Zion.
Stop it. Let's go, kids.
No, you go get it.
No.